On Saturday, March the 29, 2014, the Ladders for Leaders meeting took place at the Pinnacle Grand Jomtien Resort and Spa, hosted by Scott Michael Smith, Course Coordinator, Department of Hospitality and Tourism, Assumption University, Bruce Hancock, the Managing Director of Banyan Resort Wahin, Ferenc Frixie, founder of the Executive Search Heel Company, and Peter Malhotra, the Managing Director of Pattaya Mail Media Group. Young hotel executives were invited to listen to the experts in hospitality in order to improve their management skills. The first speaker was Scott Smith on the topic, The Spirit of Hospitality in 6 Rules: Profession appearance, friendliness, courtesy, empathy, responsiveness, and flexibility. After detailed explanations of each rule, Scott continued with the explanations that TripAdvisor is one of the most important websites that travelers would read and study before they would decide to book a room. Bad reviews are normally posted by customers who have experienced bad services because the lack of hospitality and unorganized management system. The second topic was given by Ferenc Frixie, who has over 40 years of experience in senior management positions. Ferenc talked about the key to success in the hospitality industry, stating that it takes 2 to tango between the employer and employee. The cooperation between the staff and the employers are important, as many successful hotel industries would treat each other like family. He stressed the importance of teamwork and individuality. In addition, training and product knowledge are also the key to success, including factors on sourcing, quality, quantity, cost, when, where, and how. Ferenc also gave some tips on how to keep a team long-term, as new recruits can be costly. He concluded by telling the attendants that if they use even 20% of his procedures, their hospitality skills will gradually improve. The third speaker was Bruce Hancock on the topic, The Power of Passion. He explained that passion is all about collaboration. This connects to developing a culture in an organization, that people are all humans and they need to be seen as humans. He also explained the 7 rules of collaboration, which were play, listen with a willingness to change, let yourself fail, say yes, say and instead of but, play the game, relax and have fun. He stated that these 7 rules have been successful results for many hotel industries in the past. And then a storytelling dice kit was presented to all attendants to participate in. The game requires 3 players in a team with 9 dices. Each dice will show different pictures, and the player who picks up the first dice must describe one picture and start a story about it, while the next person picks up another dice, choose a picture and continue the story thread. This game of storytelling dice displays a great example of teamwork, and it gives the players the courage to show and tell. Last but not least was Peter Malhotra, the Managing Director of Pattaya Mail. He gave a talk on how SCAL was formed and what it's all about. Shortly after the inauguration of the first joint Swedish and French air service between Stockholm and Paris in 1932, a group of travel people from the French capital were invited to make an exploratory flight over the new route. The welcome they received in Stockholm led to many pleasant friendships. Realizing the importance of closer relationships among those who strive to develop and promote both national and international travel, the men who made the flight to Stockholm determined to found a permanent organization whose primary aim would be the creation of goodwill and friendship in travel and transportation circles throughout the world. SCAL was later formed in Thailand, including Pattaya and the East. The membership of SCAL is open to managers or executives directly involved in tourism management, sales and promotions, tourism organizations, government and non-government tourism councils, hotels, convention centers, travel media, and more. Peter also introduced Young SCAL, which is a category of SCAL International, especially for students and young professionals, directly related to the travel and tourism industry. The objective is to welcome them into the world of SCAL International and make them familiar with its values: friendship, solidarity, promoting common, loyal and international interests in the tourism industry. SCALeagues receive worldwide opportunities, contacts for business, industry discounts, contact for jobs and internships, access to SCAL database, invitations to monthly SCOL functions, warm welcomes from any SCOL and other tourism functions anywhere in the world.